Hey guys, got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about a new feature announced by Twitch.tv. There are a couple new features announced, like the top cheerer is becoming the top 3 cheerer. Let me know if you want a video about that. But today we're going to be focusing on clip champs. This means that someone who constantly creates quality clips on one channel will receive a badge, not only in chat, but also on the clips viewing pages. The requirements are to create quality clips for a channel over 4 different weeks in a month and have at least 50 combined views of those clips. Clip champ status is reset after a month, encouraging you to keep contributing to your favorite channels. Now, how do you activate your clip champ badge? Keep in mind that it only works on desktop for now, so mobile users will have to wait. If you get a notification saying that you're now a clip champ for a channel, go to said channel, open up the chat settings, click on Edit Appearance. You will see a channel badge section. Then you'll be able to click on Clip Champ. Then refresh the page and the badge will show up with your name in chat. I personally think this is a great idea because supporting a channel isn't always about cheering, donating, or subscribing. Those who create quality clips contribute directly to the growth of a channel. And I'm happy that they are now getting a little status reward. How to become a clip champ? I'm gonna give you some tips. I couldn't find any info on how many clip champs a channel can have. For now, it seems like there are no limits. So becoming a clip champ will be super easy in a big channel because people are constantly watching those clips. Whether it's viewers who miss the stream or compilation channels looking for content, either way, your clips are getting views. Now let's talk about small channels, those who don't get a lot of views. Well, you will have to be smart about creating your clips. For example, trimming down your clips to only show the important part will make them more interesting, but also rewatchable, if that's a word. Either way, your clips are getting views. Another way is compelling titles, not necessarily clickbait, but mostly descriptive titles. If a streamer falls off their chair, instead of putting ouch lol xd, you can put streamer falls off their chair xd lol. And if you want to clickbait, you can put the streamer almost died. But moving on. And the last step to becoming a clip champ is to share your clips. You can share them with friends. Technically, you only need about 13 views per week to become a clip champ, which isn't much, really. You can also share your clips with communities. A lot of Facebook groups that are centered around Twitch streamers will allow it. A lot of Discord channels have a specific section for clips. And you can even post it on Reddit if you really want that clip champ badge. Overall, clip champ badges are a great idea, and they will mostly benefit small channels because sharing interesting clips will definitely bring in more viewers and it will help the channel grow. If you have any questions about clip champs, please leave them in the comment section below. I will also provide a link to the official Twitch blog in the description. If this video was helpful in any ways, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs so I can monetize my videos and bring more content to you. And that was my video about clip champs. Thank you so much for watching. Guy Level out.